Hello, namaste to everyone. Today we are going to uh, talk about how to add GeoJSON file. What is GeoJSON file? And how to add GeoJSON in our web map. We have already make our web map here. You really know how to make web map up to now. Okay, GeoJSON file is just similar like the shape file, but it is not exactly the same as the shape file. It can be edited on Notepad. It is just like the JSON file, but with the geospatial extension. Okay, I will teach you how to create the GeoJSON file. To create the GeoJSON file, you can go to the geojson.io. GeoJSON. Sorry, GeoJSON.io. Here you can make a point feature, then line feature, polygon feature in the same file. That is the advantage of the GeoJSON. Okay, you can have the attribute data and you can have the point spatial data all in this GeoJSON file. Let's add some of these. Okay, there are two type of GeoJSON file. They are feature collection and feature. Here we are using feature collection because we add point, line, polygon in just a single file. That is the main advantage. Okay, let's add some of the points here. Okay, this is a favor lake. Just add favor lake, and this is a airport. Okay, just add airport, and I will add some of the line feature in GeoJSON. Just click up here. This is the geojson.io is the best website to make the GeoJSON file when you don't know about how to create the GeoJSON. You can use the other GeoJSON file which have already has been prepared, and I can draw something polygon that okay, just contain Pohara, some of the parts of the Pohara. And okay, yes, we have. Okay, let's look what is this. Okay, this is a GeoJSON typical format. That type can be feature collection or feature, and inside the feature there is type called feature, which is mandatory for this is called for the GeoJSON, and it is property where we can put our GeoJSON file attribute information. Just add some of the attribute information. There are two ways to add. Just you can click off here, and it's so what you want to add. Just name, and okay, just Fewa, Phew, Fewa Lake. You can add another field also by using add row, and here is zip code. Okay, that's I'm typing something. Okay, zip code save. Okay, after saving it, the feature are reflected here. It's just same as like of JSON format, but we have the new property called geometry, and inside the geometry here is a type called point because we are this is the point feature, so type is point, and this is the coordinate of that point feature. In this way, this is the another point feature. So same way you can add the properties by another way, just giving like that. Typing that name is what is name. Okay, just this is Pokhara. Okay, just type anything, and you can add zip code by this way also. And okay, I will add this property to all of them. I will not just type all the things. I am just showing you how to use. Okay, then the line feature is stored as a line string in GeoJSON file. This is how they work. Okay, I'm adding just as a Pokhara in. Okay, this is the line. This is the starting point coordinate, and this is in point coordinate. This is in point coordinate, and here is the feature called polygon, type called polygon because this is the polygon feature. And you can add this polygon just giving the name, same as already we have discussed, as name is a Pokhara. You can just type it, click up here, and you can add many rows as you want. You can just click on add rows and zip code, and you can give the zip code to 33700. You can give any of the information as you want. Okay, in this way we can prepare our GeoJSON file, and we just copy this. We just copy from here, and we can go to our Visual Studio Code, and we can create a variable to store our GeoJSON file. Just I'm creating the variable called GeoJSON, and I am pasting it here. After pasting it here, okay, we have created our GeoJSON file, and okay, to add this GeoJSON file in our code, we just use l.geojson. GeoJSON. GeoJSON is on capital form, and give that variable name just called GeoJSON. I think I created name just GeoJSON, and I have to add it to my map. Variable name is my map. Okay, in this way you can add. Okay, just run it through. Run it. Let's see is working or not. Yeah, it's working. We have a line feature here, point feature, and polygon feature here. Okay, but okay, we want to pop up our content in here. Just to pop up the content, we will just go here and first just okay, we will add by using the simple method for bind pop-up. We already discussed how to add pop-up using bind pop-up. Okay, for the GeoJSON, this has to move to all of these for three kinds of feature, three or four kinds of feature. All many you have added. So I have added a function here, an anomalous function, and passing a variable called layer here. And in this way, you can give any of the variable name, and you can return layer dot. You can use on each feature also to for the pop-up, but I am using this. I think this will be easy for you to learn in the beginning, and you can use using the on each feature also. Okay, let's look how it will work. Okay, for just move on to the top, and inside GeoJSON all these things has been come up on the layer, and inside layer there is a called feature. Inside of feature there is a properties, and inside the properties there is a name. So we should have to give this on dot to allocate the variable, as you already have known. For this, just type for layer, and for layer dot feature dot properties that name. I think we just want to pop up our name. You can pop up any of the content, just not a name, and just see in our map it's working or not. Just clicking here, I think it does not give because I have some of the spelling mistake. Okay, it say the property is not defined. So for this I will go to the Leaflet website and just copy their code for spelling. I think I have so many spelling errors. So I'll just add this layer, copy this, mm, copy this, and I will paste it here. This is my some mistakes that I have already made on spelling. Okay, then just name, and I think it will work for now. Yeah, this is Pokhara. We have added. This is Fevatal, Feva Lake, and this is I think I give the line string is for Pokhara also, and polygon feature also Pokhara. But if you want to make changes and see update, okay, just give your okay name Pokhara. Is this okay? For for line string, give name Pokhara. Not give something. Pokhara polygon. GOLYGON. This is the greater advantage of having the shape file, because if you have to put this data in the shape file, then you should have the three different shape file. For point, separate shape file; for line, separate shape file; and for polygon you have to have the separate shape file. But in this case of GeoJSON, all these file can be handled in the same GeoJSON file. That is the main advantage. Okay, this much for today, and in the next topic, in the next video, we will talk about how to add different base maps, and how to just turn off on and off these added layers in our Leaflet web map. Just stay updated. Have a safe day. Stay safe, stay cool. Bye bye.